Good morning, children. Today, welcome you to your new session. Today, we will make our learning more enjoyable by doing some experiment. Okay? But before that, I have an idea, children. I have so many questions in my mind. Can I ask with you that question? Okay, are you ready to give answer? Yes. My first question is, children, in previous class you have learned more about seed. Okay? Then my question is, are all seeds have same structure, size, shape and numbers? Can you give me the answer? Yes, you can give. No, all seeds have different shape, sizes, structure and number too. Okay? Suppose we take an example of what the yummy, plumpy, the most plumpy summer fruit. What is it? It's mango. Okay, it's mango. Then, if you're having mango, then how many seeds in it? Have you seen? Yes, it has only one hard seeds. Okay, then other question, if we cut apple, then how many seeds in apple fruits? Can you give me the answer? Yes, you can. You are able to see that apple has 2 to 6 seed in it. Sometimes it is 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, this one. Next question. How many seeds in pomegranate fruit? Have you seen? It is red in color. Yes, if we cut the pomegranate, it has so many seeds, red seeds in it. It is pomegranate. So we have learned that one seed of mango fruit, 2 to 6 seeds of which fruit? Apple fruit. And more than one seed or 2 seed, so many seeds in pomegranate. Like this way. Okay? Today, suppose that all of you have mango, yummy, juicy, plumpy mango in summer days. After having this mango, you threw the mango seeds somewhere outside. You will surprised to notice, children, that the seed that you throw outside the seed will develop or germinate into a young plant, a young mango plant, and this young mango plant develops into what? A big trees, and these big mango trees gives us what? So many mangoes. Okay, so are you enjoy so many mangoes? All of us enjoy the mango fruits. Okay, now after having these mango fruits, the germination of seeds from like stage wise, young baby seeds into young plant into trees, and trees gives us what? Again, it's fruit. This is the process of seed germination. Now today we will do some enjoyable experiment. All of you have fruits at your home, different kinds of fruits, or different kinds of fruits with different kinds of spices also at your home, children. Some spices also in the form of seeds we used at our home. You know, have you seen coriander, dhania? Okay, it's dhania. Coriander, if you sow in soil, it germinates into coriander leaves. Okay, like this. Have you seen papaya? Papaya fruits? Papaya fruits, if you cut it, then how many seeds you get? And the color of the seed is what? Black. Color of the seed is, papaya seed is black, and it has so many seeds inside it. Okay, watermelon. Watermelon, if we cut red watermelon, juicy watermelon, then so many seeds inside it. In this way, you easily understand that different fruits have different quantity of seeds, different number of seeds, and different shapes and sizes of seeds. Here we do an experiment. Okay, here I have lemon. Okay, you have different fruits at your home. You can do it with your available the items that you have at your home. Okay, available at your home. And you cut the lemon at the middle, and I'll cut like this. Okay, this is the cut part, and I have taken a jar also filled with soil. Look at here, a jar filled with soil. Okay, now there are, I think, one seed or more than 2 seeds. I have 3 seeds. I have so many seeds I have get. Okay, you do experiments with apple also. You have at your home, easily available at your home. Look at the seeds. How many seeds? 1, 2 and 3 lemon seeds are there. Okay, now what will do with it? The seed, what we will have to do with it? We will have to sow the seed in the soil. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I have sown 3 seeds in the soil. Okay, like this. Okay, and cover it, the soil, cover it with the soil. Okay, the seeds, have you seen seeds? I have covered it with soils. Okay, okay, I will cover it with soil and kept in what condition? And some seeds, okay, cover it, and some seeds, one seed I have got, 2 seeds I have got. Look at here, 2 seeds I have got. Okay, kept spread on the floor. I have kept on the floor. Okay, then keep it for a while, 2 or 3 days, keep it away. Children, you are very surprised to notice after few days that the seeds that we grow in the soil, the baby seed started to germinate. And what will be the condition of these seeds which I spread on the ground, which I spread on the floor? What will be the condition of that seed? That seed that, look at that, the seeds that I spread, I'm showing you just. The seed that sprayed on the ground remains the same. No changes will be there. Okay, but the seed that we sow in the soil will started to germinate, and after few days, okay, it will take some more days, then it becomes a plant. It becomes a young plant. Okay, Children, you can do this in the form of experiment. So, after doing this experiment, this experiment, I have a question. Again, I have a question in my mind. Are you bored? Are you feeling bored? No? Okay. Then again, I have question in my mind that if we the seeds that present in it in the soil, what are the main condition required for the seed? I have an option, children. I have an option also for that question. The seed germinate in the soil. You have seen the experiment yet now? Then I have question that what are the most important condition required for the seed to germinate? What are that question? If I have an option, my first option is sand, second B, water, C, stones, and my last option D is soil. Then what give me the correct answer for it? Can you give me the answer, correct answer? Yes, you can easily guess after doing that experiment that the correct answer from A, B, C, D, that is sand, stones, water and soil, the most important is what? Soil. The soil is the most important condition required for the germination of the seed. Okay? Now, my next step, I am going to our next step. Our next step is, the condition is look at this, the seeds that we spread on the floor is remain in this form. Okay? No changes in it. Now, second, one condition, there are two conditions. Okay? I have some soil in them also, in other jar also. All of you are watching it. Have you seen this jar? Yellow jar I have, and I have put some soils in it also. Okay. The second condition for this, for the seed germination, is if we keep this jar, children, keep this jar in our garden. Okay. I will keep this jar in garden and this jar in dark room or your room temperature, at room temperature. Okay. What will be the condition of that? After few days, you will very surprised to notice that the jar that you have kept in your garden, the seeds growing in that jar is started their germination. But on other side, the jar that I kept under dark light or dark room temperature, sorry, dark light, not dark room temperature, dark at room temperature, then the seeds, if we bow seeds in it also, sorry, if we bow seeds in also, then it doesn't start to germinate. The seeds doesn't start to germinate. No changes will in it. Seed looks as usual condition. That day I have sown in it looks like this form. But the seeds that I have kept in garden started to germinate. And how you feels? Looks very happy to see it because it gets started to germinate. Now, children, my question is if the soils are present in it, then what is the second condition in it needed? Second condition, you will notice that what will I say? What I said? Second condition is what? Sunlight. In garden, you see sunlight is present there, and that sunlight helps to germinate, helps the seed in germination. Okay, sunlight is very useful for the process of photosynthesis. In previous video I have told you on the topic of photosynthesis that plants mix their food, okay, by its own with the help of sunlight. So this also, the seeds also get sunlight for their germination, okay. And the jar which I kept in dark will not start to germinate because it lacks sunlight. Okay, clear? Now the third process and our last process is what? If we will hear, it's pot of water. If we pour water in it, okay, if we pour water in it, and if we pour water in this jar also, yellow jar which I have kept in dark, okay, I pour water in it also, okay, but not too much water because seed is very tiny, seed is very small in stage, they do not need so much water, then it will die also, okay. So only sprinkles water over it, okay. Sprinkles means ऐसे करके डालते हैं ना वाटर को, तो आप वैसे डालोगे, don't so much water in it poured, okay. Then हाँ, in this way मैं बता दे रही हूँ, okay, in this way, okay, in this way sprinkle water, not this, in this type, okay, don't do this, little water sprinkle over it, okay. Then both the jar we sprinkle water over it in both jar, okay. In spite of this, we will keep this jar in sunlight or in garden, or we will also keep this jar in dark room. What will the changes occur? Do you guess? Yes, you can guess easily that water is also helpful in the process of photosynthesis. In this way, with the sunlight and water and the soil and the nutrition and the nutrients present in the soil helps to germinate the seed into young plant. On other side, the soil has water into it, but there is no sunlight available into them, okay. Because of lack of sunlight, the process of germination not occur, and water that I have sprinkled on it, okay, वो क्या होता है, ऐसे के ऐसे रहने जा रहा है, ये एवोपरेट नहीं कर पा रहा है, दोबारा यहाँ का सीड जो है ऑक्सीजन नहीं ले पा रहा है, ओके. देन प्रॉपर इसको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड या ऑक्सीजन वाटर का नहीं मिल पा रहा है, ओके. देन दिस इज the process of how you do seed germination. Are you getting enjoyed by this doing? You can do the experiment with apple seed also, children. Apple seed or easily available seed that at your home. Watermelon seed you can do, pomegranate seed you can do, and look the seeds frequently, okay, frequently, and note down in your copy that first day how does it look like, second day how does it look like, third day how does it look like, okay. In this way you can form seed germination, okay. And one more, you can also do this experiment with previous day I have told you with red gram or green moong also. Red gram or green moong, you will do this same this type of experiment, both the red gram or green moong in the soil and sprinkles water over it, but just see little water sprinkles, don't pour over watering. Okay, over watering नहीं करना है, spreading करना है पानी का इसमें. और after 2 or 3 days you will notice what you will notice, you will tell me about this. Okay, do the experiments at your home. This is your homework. Okay, with your green moong or red chana, red gram easily available. Okay, then do it and show me. All of you show me that how does sprouting of gram or seed occurs in the soil also. Okay, I think all of you are enjoyed with this video. Okay, if any questions or query about this, then you can tell me. Okay, now one question after doing so many experiments, one question, what is seed germination? You have to write down in your copy. What is seed germination, it is what is seed. What is seed? So what is seed? Seed is a what? Seed, what is seed is a, it is a part of plant. Seed is a part of plant which sleeps inside fruit. Seed is what? Seed is a part of plant which sleeps inside what? Fruit. फ्रूट के अंदर सीड जो है वो सोया रहता है, like a baby sleeps on the bed. Okay, sleeps inside. Okay, now new plants grow from it after getting proper what? Condition, and that condition is what? Temperature. Okay, soil or what? Water. Means warmth, temperature, air, पूरा air मिलना चाहिए, water मिलना चाहिए, and soil तो present रहना ही है, and these are the condition to germinate these baby seeds. Okay, bye bye. Now meet in the next class. Thank you.